a steel factory worker narrowly escaped a molten metal mishap. Take a look. During a production process, a strand of molten steel suddenly shot into the air, folding and rolling dangerously close to a nearby worker. Unaware at first, he noticed it just in time and jumped away to safety. This highlights the necessity of constant alertness and protective barriers in high-temperature industrial environments. This crane lifted beyond its safe limit and paid the price. A crane tried to lift a heavy excavator, but exceeded its capacity. The machine tipped over, snapping cables and crashing down. This emphasizes why operators must always check load charts and never lift beyond rated capacities. A lifting operation in an industrial yard nearly turned disastrous. Watch closely. Heavy metal cones were being hoisted when one slipped from the machine, crashing onto another cone below. The impact sent it rolling dangerously close to a nearby worker, depicting the importance of inspecting lifting equipment and maintaining safe distances when handling suspended loads in industrial areas. Poor visibility led this forklift driver into a terrible mistake. This operator overloaded his forklift with wooden decking, completely blocking his view. Unaware of a worker ahead preparing the floor, he dropped the load on him. This shows why forklift operators must always ensure clear visibility and never drive with obstructed views. These workers went to make adjustments under a suspended car, and this happened. Take a look. These two mechanics were working beneath a suspended car when the suspension suddenly snapped and the car succumbed to gravity. This video shows why suspended loads should always be double-checked, secured with safety locks or stands, and never trusted without backup support. This cement pump inspection turned unexpectedly dangerous. While guiding a mechanical cement pump, one worker stood too close as its boom suddenly collapsed. It pinned him before others intervened. This highlights the importance of routine maintenance, safety checks, and keeping clear of operating machinery parts. This forklift lift didn't go as planned, especially when this happened. Watch closely. The forklift operator was on a hoisted platform beside a building when the platform suddenly gave way, and the rest was history. This video shows why lifting equipment must never exceed its rated capacity, and why platforms should be inspected and stabilized before any operation. A scaffold collapse revealed a simple but vital mistake. Two workers climbed the same scaffold. One used the wrong section to ascend, shifting the balance until the structure collapsed. This shows why scaffolds must be firmly anchored, inspected, and climbed according to proper access procedures. In a plywood factory, this worker's duty for the day came with a painful surprise. Take a look. This worker was performing a quick task when a sheet of plywood suddenly shot out from the front, causing a terrible accident. This video shows why machines should be turned off and cleared of tension before any adjustments or maintenance are made. This mechanic's quick response to a fire turned into something unexpected. Take a look. When a car caught fire inside the shop, the worker grabbed a fire extinguisher but slipped, and the extinguisher's contents poured out. He tripped again on another obstacle. This video highlights why work areas should be kept clear of obstacles, and why calm, steady responses are key during emergencies. This office accident started with one falling shelf and ended in chaos. A man searching for files leaned on a shelf that suddenly collapsed, triggering others to fall as well. This highlights the need to anchor shelves securely to walls and avoid overloading them beyond design limits. Things went wrong fast during this garage repair. Take a look. The mechanics were working on a mini truck suspended in the shop when it unexpectedly flipped over. This video shows why vehicles on suspension must be balanced, secured, and checked before workers can begin any work to prevent dangerous tip-overs.